Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Patio Heat channel, where we provide visual concepts of infrared heating as well as tips for outdoor comfort. Send your request into designs@patioheat.com for your personalized recommendations. Our one-on-one customer support helps you make the best decisions for your applications. We strive to earn your business. Visit our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Now let's get heating. All right, so this is a louvered covered pergola, I'll call it, and I just have some basic information, and I'm hoping to get some more information. But so I have this thing set up right now where the beams are coming into this wall of the fireplace over here, and then these beams are over here. Let's go ahead and look at the dimensions that I have here. So the outer edge to outer edge I have at 21 feet. From outside edge here to outside edge here, and I have that parallel with the house structure back here. And then you can see over here I have it at 19 feet 4 inches. Also from the center of the beam here to the center of the structure itself I have it 7 foot 9 inches. And sorry about that. Also outside edge here to the center I have at 9 foot 8 inches. The area that they want to heat up is 13 foot by 11 feet. So I have that placed in here. I don't believe it's centered. I have it kind of pushed over here to the right a little bit, but I'm not quite sure if that's going to be centered or not. I could move this table here to the center location of the structure itself, and it would be just a few, that's just a couple of inches really that I have it set up at. So in any case, that's the area that they're looking at heating up. The other thing I didn't get the information on, and I'm going to assume that this is true, that there is a structure here, or I should say a rain gutter area here for the louvered cover, so that when the rain does fall, it drops into the gutter spots and then pours down one side or the other. I'm not quite sure about where that is, but you can see I have that about 6 inches over to the edge here from the 6-inch frame that I have. I think that's about it. I do have these at 6 by 6, and you can see the height I have at 8 foot off the finished floor. So that's another piece of information I made up here. So, all right, let's go ahead and look at possible options. So I think they have a very small amount of energy as far as availability. So right now I have 2 of the 4,000 watt units on the outer edges. I have them at 30 degrees tilted towards the center of the patio. And also these are positioned in the center of the patio itself. And let's go ahead, and this is a steel frame, so there's no issue with regards to clearances, although I'm not quite sure how high the louvereds go, or do they drop down below this edge here. That piece of information I don't have, but I'm assuming that it does not drop below this because of the fact that it's a gutter system. So but in any case, let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat that we get on 2 4,000 watt units. You can see that in this position here, this would be fairly okay. Your back is going to be to the heater itself, so the front side of your body will not be as warm as you would like. That's kind of sometimes why I don't like to place the heaters on the outer edge, but in some applications that's all you can do. And then also here you'd see that even though that this ray is designed for about an 8 foot throw, so from here to the actual center point here would be 8 foot, but the ray does travel a little bit further, and when you have crossover rays from left to right here, you will feel the warmth on both of them. We're 3-dimensional beams. We'd feel probably the best right here in the middle than we would on either side, left or right here. And also, sitting on this couch, something of this nature, you're going to feel the warmth of your body on the front side of your body, whereas possibly you have cushions here, and that'll be insulation for the back of your body. So this would be probably the most comfortable in all 3 of these areas here. Now the last thing is if you do have enough power, could you place an additional unit here in the center? And this is probably what I would recommend being the best for this application, if you could actually place in 3 units total. So I think that's pretty much about it. So the footprint of heat here is going to be about 11 feet, and this is about 10 feet from this edge here to this edge here, and again away from the heater surface to the middle point here is 8 feet. So that's going to be your preferred footprint of heat, or the most usable amount of heat that you can get from each heater. So just bear that in mind. And even like this, when I was showing this, you can see that it looks like it's just heating up this chair here. Well, the ray does travel out further. This is the ideal amount of heat. This is infrared light waves. Light waves bend and stretch as they travel through space, and it would place warmth over here to offset some of that warmth that you're not getting from the back side of your body over here. So that's why I like this a little bit better. I think that's about it. Now I'm assuming that this beam here might be here. I'm assuming that these louvers are in this direction. So that is all information that could be helpful. And also, we could, move this out if that's what we need to do. I saw some images and it looked like that's possibly the way that it's going to be constructed here. So, all right, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you would like us to review your plans, send them to designs@patioheat.com. And please consider tapping that like button. We try our hardest to help our customers out. And one of the ways that we can do that is by you tapping that like button so others can find us. And we really appreciate you doing that. Have an excellent day.